Hi, I'm Tamara and welcome to Calixta Beauty. To achieve this monochromatic makeup look, I am using this cream blush product in the shade Blushed Rose. And I'm going to start with the eyes, and I'm just applying that with my fingertip. And just patting the product very gently onto the eyelid. And then I'm going to be taking a blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out the outer edges. Next, taking the blush and warming a little bit of it on the back of my hand. I'm then going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks, blending up. If you find that you've put too much blush on cheeks, just take your foundation brush or whatever you use to apply foundation and just go over the area where you put too much blush and just blend it out. Lastly, the lips. I'm just going to take it again on my finger and pat it onto the lips. And there you go, guys. That is our super simple, super easy monochromatic makeup look. And if you have any questions, just leave them down below in the comments. And I hope to see you again. Bye!